Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. April 12th, folks. Let's make it a great week. Don't take anything personally. Your truth is personal to you. Your own opinions and point of view reflect your own agreements, and I personally do. It's no one's truth but yours. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 293, NASDAQ up 71, S&P's up 22, Dow Industrials up 1.2%. You get the NASDAQ up 1, S&P's up 0.9%. Gold contract down $22, trading at $13.38. Now, we're coming into the weekend, coming into Friday, folks. Bottom line, gold, what does gold do? Gold has two different aspects here between the last 24 hours. We go topside yesterday, monster volume. Gold goes to a price point of $13.69. We do 492,000 contracts. You back down today with 374, and you're going into 379. Oh my God, look at this. No, you're going into 374 too. This is pretty cool. So you back down with 374. You're going into 374. Now, what that is this. You do have an expansion of volume. As you're going into it, though, you're going into the basically buyers at that 1339. And we go to the 1336, you're at 1338. If we go take a look at the GDX, if we look at the XL, the XAU, the HUI, all of those folks went higher with volume yesterday, back down today with dramatically lighter volume. If we take a look at the GDX, what you're going to see is this. GDX took out its swing points yesterday, stayed above its swing points. We're talking about 22.51. We got to price point yesterday of 23. We closed at 22.75. You did volume of 73 million shares, taking out your swing of 44 million, and let's use the day before, which is 75 million. Still took it out. Well, 73, it was close, 73 to 74. Back down today, anemic volume. We're backing down today with 33 million. That's saying it still wants February 14th high, which is 23.15. If we go take a look at one of the first equities that got up into that area, which is Gold Corp, bottom line, it's not only into it, it's over it, and it has juice over it. Gold Corp trading $14.25. That high that we're talking about is $13.80. It blew it away. You had volume of 10 million shares out there. You're going into 13. Well, you're going into 13, so it didn't actually, it was shot volume, actually. Bottom line is that you're away from it. And what you have with Gold Corp has a high volume high, January 16th, $15.55. The reason I'm bringing this up, folks, is that when you have divergence, which we do in the gold market in a big way, and what the divergence would be is this, is that you were topside yesterday, you had price, you had volume. Coming into the close, it gave it up by $9. You never like to see that. That's the bottom line. If you're going to go, you want to go, and then you want to get away from the swing points that you're actually taking out. And in gold's case yesterday, it got up there, it didn't get away from them and back down. That being said, what we did out here today, you back down, you had lighter volume in the back down, good setup. Notes and bonds. Now, these are going to get dicey out here. So, fundamentally, it makes sense that, guess what? The Fed say they're going to go up on rates, all of the above. Guess what? That being said, what we have had since the lows that were established out here on February 15th is that you've had higher price. We've had volume coming in as we're breaking swings to the upside. What we did out here today is this. Notes and bonds came back into the strength from March 22nd. The high of March 22nd is 120.28. The low is 120.13. This is inside the 10-year. Well, we're laying out here. Actually, no, the low is, oh, this is cool. The low is actually 120.03. So that's pretty good. That's a lot better setup. We got to 120.14. You're coming into, oh, I see, there's two different areas. Yeah, there's two different areas. This is coming into big strength. This is big strength. You're actually coming into 1.8 million contracts as well as 2.4 million contracts. Yeah, you're going to need a lot more volume to break down this bond market. The 10-year yield right now, we are yielding out 2.836, which is a big number. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, trading at a price point of up 217 ticks, 23,000 contracts. What King dollar has done out here is you had an expansion of volume in King dollar. Bottom line, we got up to 89,675. Couldn't handle price again out here, which is pretty amazing. It got over the high of Tuesday, closed underneath it. You know, we'll see how this shakes out coming into a Friday, because what I do expect we're going to have, let's go to JP Morgan right away. So JP Morgan, folks, is going to kick off the earnings numbers. That's going to be for the banks tomorrow morning. That's at 0700. And that's going to be a big number to see, okay, these banks are going to get up and over and into their highs. The way that the JP Morgan's trading today, you get 16 million shares, you're going into 22 million, that's not enough. You got to a price point of 114.39, you closed at 113.37. That actually would be a failure on price, failure on volume as you came into where JP Morgan gapped away. So this is going to be really intriguing, because what we should have is that there's no reason that banks are not making money hand over fist. Okay, the economy's going well, the volatility is high in the marketplace, you get lots of trading going on, investment banking is big, regulations are going down. You know, when you look at it straight across the board, it should be fine. Guess what? That's what the amount of information that we're going to get tomorrow is going to be really cool. Some of the higher volume stocks that we have out here today inside this marketplace, you had GE up 21 cents, you had Micron Tech up 211, Bed Bath & Beyond, oh, this is all over for Bed Bath & Beyond, folks. Monster ABC structure on the way down, come out with their numbers last night, down $4.27, blew away a B point with volume. This is a disaster inside Bed Bath & Beyond. Another retailer down the tubes. It's blown away at swing point out here of $19. That's heading down to $16. You blow away $16, and now you're talking about single digits, folks. Stay right there. Going to be coming back with some numbers. Dow Industrials closed up 293. NASDAQ up 71. S&P's up 23. Coming right back.